What's happening, guys? This is PRS Hero coming at you with a new unboxing. Even though this is technically my first one. I tried doing one for Duelist Powers, but I didn't like how the video came out, so I didn't bother posting it up on YouTube. So I got not just the new Magicial Hero boxes to show off, but I also got this beauty right here. This is the new Ash Blossom playset. They just got these in at my local card shop. They had a whole bunch of Ash stuff today, but what caught my eye was the playset, which I will be showing to you right now. This is actually the last one. They quickly sold out of this, and now they're gonna have to. Hold on, let's see how I can do this. I don't want to damage the box too much. Let's see. Oh, that's why. Give me a moment. Very unprofessional, but not my first one, so hopefully people let it slide. Alright, let's take it out. See what we got. Move the dual box for a moment. Oh, it's upside down. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Oh, let's move that away as well. Be new. Look at that. Just look at this. Easily the best hand trap in the entire game. Just negates anything from adding your hands to sending stuff to the graveyard. Just negates all of that. Even though you have to use it once per turn. That's the only downside to Ash Blossom. But other than that, this is just a beautiful card. Oh, with that said, you know what? I'll keep this out so I can hush Coco. So we can get started with this. Get that knife again. Open this up. I have been waiting months for these. And it's just, after they announced the two new heroes, I was like, these automatically had to be, part of my set. Heroes are my favorite archetype in Yu-Gi-Oh! They're the reason why I got back into Yu-Gi-Oh! In the first place, because I was off Yu-Gi-Oh! For a little bit. But then, heroes got a lot more supports. I started understanding more how to utilize them. It's just a great set. So let's hold off anymore and get started. Got all the packs right here. We open these up. Put this to the side for right now. All right, here it comes. After months of waiting, my first Yu-Gi-Oh thing. God, it's so unprofessional. But let's see what we got. Card I can't pronounce. Illusion Magic. Something Magician. And there's a good card right there for any Dark Magician players. This is something you're gonna want 3 of. Because it's a quick. If you look at it closely, it's a quick play card. So you easily set this, activate it when you need to, and quickly get out your Dark Magician fusions. Yeah, so good so far. Let me take that out. Let's see. Oh, I got Honest Neos. Nice. Hush Coco. Okay, now this is a good one to have for any hero player, but I personally prefer the ultra version more than the silver version, but it's still a good card to have in your hero deck. Just clearly add points to any hero monster you have. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, favorite hero, yes. Okay, let's read. Let me read what it says. Hold on. Equip only to a level 5 or higher hero monster. If you control cards in your field zone, this equipped monster gains attack equal to its original defense. Also, your opponent cannot target it with effects. At the start of the battle, you can activate one field spell directly from your hand or deck, you can only use this effect, favorite hero, once per turn. When this equipped monster attacks and directly destroys a monster by battle, you can send this card into your graveyard. The equipped monster can attack. Oh, nice. Alright, got another good card for this. Nice. Alright. Probably wasted a little bit too much time with that card, but yeah, that was actually a nice little card. I'm probably not going to use it for my heroes because I don't really use fields unless they, at some point I would like them to make a field spell specifically for all heroes. Not just specific. There's only field spells for each hero type. Alright, cards I don't care about. Put those away. Get out of here. There we go. Alright. More stuff. More interested in the magicians and hero monsters. This. So Magicians of Dark Illusion, nice. I like the super version a bit more, but still a nice card. Speed up a little bit because I don't want to waste too much time for YouTube. Nothing I'm really interested in. Ooh, Apprentice Magician. Apprentice Illusion Magician. This is another good card to have in your Magician deck. But we're going to be going after the one that we absolutely need for that. I mean, not my personal main, but still a nice card to have. Let's see. Damn, I keep hitting this camera. Like it's directly in front of my face, so you gotta forgive me on this. Okay, let's see. More stuff I don't care about. Oh, okay. Gaga Magician. Let's see what. I actually don't know too much about the Gaga card, so let me see what this one does. Needs 2 level 4 monsters. You can discard 1 material from this card, then target 1 XID monster in your graveyard except Gaga Magician special summon it, but negate its effect. You can only use this effect of once per turn. A Ubith future XID monster has this card. Not too bad. Not something I'm going to be personally using, but keep it to the side. Alright. Almost done with this pile. Probably just do one unboxing. I'll probably look at the other ones later. Alright, oops, grab 2. Nothing. Oh yes, finally! This is the card I want the most right here. This is the card I was so excited that when I first heard about it. You know, Sunriser. This card can search out Miracle Fusion, which is something you're gonna need for cards like Absolute Zero or The Shining. Those are 2 cards that are definite targets for this card right here. And that's all. If this card gets into battle, with anybody, or if any hero monsters that are targeted for attack, his special ability lets you destroy any card on the field. It's like the best right next to Dystopia with that kind of effect. So you can use Dystopia and that card together, and it would pretty much be unstoppable. It's just instantly destroy the cards and screw up their strategies. Alright, so I already got the one card I'm looking for. Junk Converter. That's good for heroes. Hold on, let me move this knife away. I'll need that for the other path. Don't really, personally, I don't care too much about the card. I'll probably sell that one. All these cards I'll probably sell. Nothing. Alright, last one, then I got the other side to work on. To save on time for YouTube, I'm just going to do the one box. The other one will be on my personal time. And... Oh, Magician Navigation. Okay, that's a good one. Put that to the side. Hush, Coco. You're fine. Alright, next. Now we got this next side right here. Which, you know, I'm just going to take all this out. Throw that over there to the side. And let's see what I got. Garbage. Stuff I don't care about. Hopefully that ban list drops soon, so I know what I can add to my deck or not. But I really want to know if my heroes are gonna get another hero lives, if it's gonna go up to 3 or 2. That's what I'm personally hoping for, anyway. All right, more garbage. I'm looking for just the another Gaga, which I am Magician. Gaga Magician. Sorry. Like I said, I'm really not familiar with them. I didn't really want. I kind of stopped watching the series after 5Ds, but I still keep up with the cards, like more of the meta players. Nice. Synchro Chase. Another card probably just get rid of, but nice to have. I gotta stop hitting the camera. Alright, let's see. Put that away. Nothing interesting there. Nope. Come on, Liquid Man. Nothing. Liquid Man is something I need next. If I can get him, my hero, I'll probably do my own hero profile. Oh, hold on. Satellite Warrior? Let me see. Let me actually read this one real fast. I want to see. Requires 1 tuner and 1 non-tuner synchro. Okay, so this requires synchros. If this card is synchro summon, you can target one cards your opponent controls up to the number of synchros monsters in your grave, or destroy them. And if you do, this card gains 1,000 attack points for each card destroyed. Ooh, that's actually really good. Like if you're a synchro player, that you can just benefit from this. Hold on. You can special summon up to 8 level 8 or lower warrior synchro summon or stardust. Okay, so this could be warrior monsters or warrior synchro monsters or stardust. Nice. It's actually a good card. Come on, Liquid Man. Come on, Liquid Man. It'll be funny that he'll be the only card I can't get out of this. Satellite Synchron. Oh, this might be the counterpart for this. Nice. I better hurry this up because my dad's here. Nothing. Hey, Dad. Alright, got 3 packs left. More garbage. Ooh. Okay, here's a good one. The Dark Magician finally making... Hold on, let me move this out of the way. Finally making Dark Magician Girl more relevant in Yu-Gi-Oh! Meta than ever. This is a good card. Know somebody that's gonna want that. Alright, last pack. And Generation Next. Let's see what this card does. If your life points are lower than your opponent's, add to your hand or special summon one elemental hero monster, Kurio monster, or Neo-Spacian monster from your deck or graveyard with attack less or equal to the difference in life points. Not activate cards or effects. Okay, nice. Alright, I guess that's it. Nice pull. Got one of the cards I needed. I'll probably open the other box on my own time, but yeah, good pull. Glad I have everything I got, at least one of the things I needed. And I hope you enjoyed. Peace.